Officer Polony.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I have a seat?
Thank you, sir.
I want to know what happened to the woman yesterday. There was a woman here yesterday and she wanted to take a statement.
Which woman? Oh, the one for yesterday.
Yeah, sure.
That one. That one, she came here, that woman. She came here for a statement and Detective Kelembana, they wrote the statement. Okay. And then the woman was very vulnerable, sir. So I offered her a place to sleep. She didn't have a place to sleep. So I took her to my place.
You did what?
I took her to my place. She didn't have anywhere to go. And my girlfriend was not there. So I just took her.
So you took her to your place? You took this woman, a civilian, you took her to stay in your place. Why did you take her to your place?
No, sir. I took her because she didn't have anywhere else to go. She said the boyfriend was beating her. So I had to offer her a place to sleep because my girlfriend was not there. So we don't even have...
Couldn't you take her to a public place? Couldn't you take her to a... We have a lot of programs here for people. We could have taken her to a homeless shelter or something. Why would you take her to your place? You know what would happen if people would find out you took this woman to your place? What would people do? Why am I even thinking now? What did you do with this woman? What happened in this place of yours? What were you doing? Where did she sleep even? Where did she sleep? Did she sleep on the couch?
No, sir, I don't have a couch, but I will lay by it this month. Very well, I will lay by it. I don't have, for now I have a mattress, sir. We slept on the mattress, the two of us.
So you slept on the same bed?
No, not in a very bad way, sir. Very nice and peaceful. I was on the other side of the room of the bed and she was on the other side of the room of the bed. We divided the bed into two rooms. We put the bags in between. So she had her own room on the bed and I had my own room, but it was cold. It was cold, but then we slept nice.
So you're not taking this serious? Like, I can see you be like trying to be energetic about it. I'm telling you that you slept with a woman on your bed and you're telling me you put a pillow on the bed.
No, sir, I didn't sleep.
You think I'm stupid to understand that you put a pillow on the bed? You're telling me that you don't have a couch or whatever your story is. I want to know exactly what happened. What happened with this woman? What happened?
You see, sir, you are interpreting this thing wrong. I didn't sleep with the woman. If
you don't tell me what happened now, I will fire your fucking ass. You go back to the space you crawled in. You understand me?
Sir, I'm sorry. I don't want to go to be the Manchingilan again. No, sir, I'm sorry. But what I am telling you is very true. It's very true. If my eyes were a camera, I would have taken them out now for you to see the film that you were doing, or the film that was happening in the room.
I don't believe you, but we need to get to the bottom of this, because if this gets out, to even the captain alone, if this gets out that you slept with a woman,
sir, I'm
telling you, our asses are on the line here, so you better go get, where is this woman? You better go get her. I want to hear, because I want to hear what she has to say. I want to hear what she has to say about this. Because I ain't going to believe what you're telling me right now. You're telling me that you slept with her, I want to hear what she said. Because I don't know if you raped her. What if you raped her?
No, I didn't. I didn't, sir. She's at the house. We can go to the house.
Go get her now, and I want to hear from her what happened, and we'll figure out how we're going to fix this.
But sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Just go get her, please.
Yes, sir.
And call Detective Kelembana here. I want to speak to him.
Yes, sir.